loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is going to be a lash with me on this look here. This is a cat eye light volume set. I am feeling a little bit under the weather today, so I'm sorry if I do sound sick. I really can't hear myself. I think I got a little bit of a flu or something. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into this. So first I want to start off by saying that lash with me's are just exactly how it sounds. They're just lash with me's. These aren't tutorials. I'm not trying to teach you anything right now. In my lash with me's, I typically like to talk in the beginning majority of the time to one, either answer questions, and two, just go over my mapping for anybody who may have a question on my mapping or whatever. And that's pretty much it. I'm not here again to actually teach you on this video. I will have more educational videos coming up very soon, but yeah. So a question I get asked a lot is what curls do I use, and my most favorited curl is a D curl. I pretty much use a D curl 95% of the time. Even with my clients who have more straight lashes, straight and like flat lashes, I will still use a D curl. And the reason that I do that is because a lot of my clients come to me because they want that lift. I have quite a few clients who have very straight lashes, like my client here. Her lashes are straight. They don't have much of a bend to them. So typically you would use a curl like a C or a CC curl. But for me, I still love a good D curl because it really helps lift her eyes, and that's exactly what she's looking for. A lot of the times when people have straight lashes, they're not looking to get straight lash extensions as well, you know. So D curl is my personal favorite. And for the diameter, when it comes to my light volume sets, I use a 0.7, and I alternate in between a 3D and 6D fan. For my spikes, starting off in the inner corner, we're going to be going in with an 11, 12, 13, 14, and then ending off the eye with 15 on the very outer corner. And then for fans, we're going in with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14 on the very outer corner as well. And this is just a very simple cat eye. My client has a very naturally shaped almond eye, so I don't really have to manipulate this cat eye to really match her eye. I don't know if you guys know this, but of course you have your different eye mappings that flatter different eye shapes. But let's just say a client with very round eyes comes in and she wants a cat eye look, you know. As a lash artist, it's going to be important for you. One, you can always talk to your client and maybe try and convince her to get something that would be better suited for her eye. But if she is just a little hard-headed and just, you know, she knows what she wants. It's not hard-headed, but she knows what she wants. Even if it may not match her, you kind of have to work with it. So usually when I have clients who have very round eyes who want a cat eye, I will manipulate that eye and give her more of an open eye. But that open eye will in turn look like a cat eye in the end when my client opens up her eye. So for me, an open eye, the longest point is 2/3 of the way in. Not at the middle, not at the very end, but 2/3. Or that could be 3/4. Yeah. That could be 3/4 of the way in is going to be your longest point, and you're going to go shorter on the inner and outer corner. And that helps give them the cat eye appearance without it actually being a cat eye. But yeah, I think that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this lash with me. Let me know any questions you guys have for me down below. I always respond to the comments, but I'll also include that question into my videos, my future videos, just in case somebody else may not know as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You